Hey, karibuni. So a bunch of my buyers have requested me to do a video, so I have done one side with one of my lashes. This is in the style Fifi, and then I want to show you guys like how I place it on my eye. So do not go anywhere. This is a quick video. I'll be right back. Let me just show you like the things that you really need. Okay, as I said, this is in the style Fifi. This are my lashes. Okay, finally. So these are like the most dramatic ones that I have. So they come in this. So you need your glue, all right? And then you need the lash applicator, or if you don't have a lash applicator, tweezers will do you great. I keep on looking at the screen, sorry, I should be looking here. So once you get it, it's good to just take the edge, the tip here, you pull it out from here, okay? If you just like that, gently, okay? So you have that, okay? Then get your glue. You can get glue from Beauty Bar, and also I'll post everyone's link where you can get like genuine glue. So can you guys see that? So you place the glue on this strip here, okay? Gently, not too much. In fact, I'm putting a lot. Yeah, like that. Okay, so that's how much you put, okay, like that on the strip. Don't forget to always close your glue, okay? So then now you wait for it to not be so wet. Sorry, I'm back. So I have like a fan which will fasten the process. Okay, I don't wait for too long. When you see it starting to change color, it's perfect, okay? Then now this is where the true test comes in. I usually like doing this off camera because of my eyesight. I have really bad eyesight. So you just take it, and then what you do is place it, okay? You see, place it as close as you can to your own lash. That's my doggy agreeing. Yeah, let me blink a bit. Okay, oh sorry guys, as I said, my eyesight is wanting. Trying to do this precisely for you guys, okay? Then you just sort of finger them together. Yeah, the trick is you can put a liner, you put your liner, okay, where you usually do your eyeliner, then place glue on it and then just place it. I think that also works. I did a short video of a hack that I actually do that when I don't have enough time, so that the glue dries quickly, but you can do it like directly. So this is this is, you see, like now it's okay. It may stick. I can now fly away. Anyway guys, thank you so much. Please get yourself a pair or 3 or 5 from my website www.emmasbrush.co.ke/shop. Just go to the shop and shop away, guys. Thank you so much, and thank you for the support. Anyway, if you do, I think I'm going to do the next video on how to take care of your lashes. So till next time, love you guys.